One of the greatest attributes the West Coast has to offer is its natural beauty. If you're looking to explore the outdoors this summer, here are 8 must-see waterfalls, from local LA hikes to whimsical Multnomah Falls in Oregon. Millard Falls in Altadena, California features a rocky short hike to a beautiful local waterfall. The trail is just over a mile round trip. Leash dogs are allowed on this trail, making it a perfect place to take your pup on a scenic stroll. Paradise Falls, located in Thousand Oaks, California, features a hike just over a mile to a beautiful waterfall plunging 40 feet. This waterfall runs year-round, and a picnic spot midway through the trail makes this hike the perfect place to spend an afternoon. McWay Falls is a must-see waterfall for anyone visiting Big Sur. The view overlooking the waterfall is highly accessible and a go-to for tourists during sunset. Although the beach below is not accessible, the falls are conveniently located in Julia Pfeiffer Burns State Park, a popular place for camping and hiking. Yosemite National Park is home to several magnificent waterfalls, including Bridal Veil Fall. This wind-blown waterfall produces a cloud of mist covering onlookers. While many visitors bask in the glory of these cold droplets on a summer's day, the Awanichi Native Americans, who originally inhabited the land, believed the mist to be cursed. Several variations of the tale have existed over time, and murmurs of the water's supposed supernatural powers can still be overheard at the park today. Yosemite Falls is the highest waterfall in Yosemite, dropping a total of 2,425 feet. The falls can easily be seen from the road. However, some explorers often hike the 1-mile Lower Yosemite Falls Trail or the steep and strenuous all-day Upper Yosemite Falls Trail for a breathtaking view of Yosemite Valley. Burney Falls, located in Shasta County, California, is one of the most spectacular waterfalls in all of California and is a must-see for those traveling through Northern California. Allegedly, the 26th President of the United States, Theodore Roosevelt, gave the falls their nickname, the 8th Wonder of the World. Trail of Ten Falls, located in Silver Falls State Park near Silverton, Oregon, boasts an 8.7-mile looped trail that takes visitors around and even under 10 beautiful waterfalls. The trail itself is lush and green, and the shade provided by the trees makes for perfect hiking conditions. Multnomah Falls, located in the Columbia River Gorge in Multnomah County, Oregon, is one of America's most visited waterfalls, with millions of visitors each year. Unlike other waterfalls, Multnomah runs year-round, The falls are a convenient 30 minutes from Portland, Oregon, making it the perfect pit stop for those passing through. No matter if you're seeking a quick day trip or a sightseeing road trip, these must-see waterfalls are sure to make for lasting memories.